Here's a cat in its natural habitat. It's in there waiting for it to come out. Dun-it. Dun-it. Oh, if I get 15 likes on my sword of... Oh, Jesus Christ. If I get like 15 likes on my newest montage I uploaded, I'll do a face reveal. Bro, this cat's trying to hop out the window. Okay, yeah. So this is gonna be like 2 minutes of a cat in its natural habitat. I don't think he knows I'm here. Cat, do something. I'm bored. Just do something, honestly. Jump from there, I dare you. Come on, you have... Bruh, it's a ninja. I didn't know it's a ninja. Yeah, change the channel. What can you do? I'm gonna go get his voice. Stay. It's going. This is an intro. Jesus Christ, what's it? Don't worry, cat. I'm not doing it. Yeah. You want to squid? Don't worry. I got you. I got you, cat. You're welcome. Now do something, please. I'm getting bored. Thank you. She also... It's having a... It likes to have boxing matches. Bro, where are you going? Come back. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Yeah, bye.